Okay, next one up is this custom Harley Sportster in for a whole heap of Trott loving. Been stored for some time, so it's got a bit of corrosion here and there. Needs a little attending to. All these yokes. It's like sandpaper. We're going to do one of our full Monty valets on this. Got quite a bit of extra polishing, bit of painting to do. We'll get all these spokes all minted up. Got some pitting rust on there, which I can do the best I can with. We'll polish up those rocker covers. I said paint a few bits, get some corrosion protection on it. We'll get those exhausts all polished up. This air filter's gone all wonky. Yes, we got our work cut out for us with this one. I said it's been stored for some time, so time to give the girl a bit of a bath. Good old spa day, as they say. Give me a couple of hours. We'll have her looking sweet again. Watch this space. There you go, just under 5 hours. This Harley custom Sportster has been fully trotted and looking pretty freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets with a load of extra polishing. All the yokes, as you saw previously, were all deteriorated, needed sanding, polishing. The rocker covers have all been polished. All the header pipes have been polished up like new. Did loads of painting and little bits and pieces that were rusty. All that swing arm at the back there. Scrubbed all the belt drive cover. The spokes have all been meticulously cleaned. Luckily it's got stainless ones on the back. Unfortunately the front are chrome, so there's a few of them that have some heavy pitting, which I can't really do much on, but it's all had a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection on it, so which will neutralize any rust and prevent any further. Mirror polished up all these levers. The gear shifter and the brake pedal have all been mirror polished. All done just under 5 hours. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.